I went a little crazy. I just put lashes on and it made the whole look. I just vamped it up. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine Della Rosa, and today I have I'm just gonna do my natural makeup routine. So as you can see, I have a bare face. I already moisturized. I'm gonna go in with these clips I bought from Pretty Little Thing. They're super cute. They look like this. And I'm just gonna put this in my hair so it stays away from my face while I'm putting makeup on. I'm not trying to get makeup on my hair, so we'll just like clip it away. Yeah, these are super cute. They're like really chunky. I feel like you guys are really low right now though. Are you guys, is this okay? Let's see. Maybe I can fix this a little more. Like absolutely nothing. Alright, so I already put my moisturizer on. So what I'm gonna do next is, I guess the first thing I want to do before I put my foundation on is to put primer on my face. And I just have this tiny Pores Be Gone matte primer by Hello Fab. I really like this a lot. It's got like a, whatchamacallit, like a smooth consistency once you put it on. Very matte feeling, mattifying. So I'm just gonna put like this much on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna put it on my face to start off. Okay, so the foundation I use is the Estee Lauder Double Wear 4C3 Soft Tan. It's the Bobbi Brown, it's like a tester. I use the Beige 3, and I'm just gonna mix these together. I'm so clumsy, I can't believe that happened. Fuck. It's okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna grab a sponge. Yeah, I just got this from Marshall's for like 10 bucks, and it came with an assorted makeup blenders. This tiny one, and you got the big one. They're so cute, and I love the colors. They're all neutral. I'm definitely gonna keep the case so I can keep all my little blenders in there. Oh, I forgot to grab one. So I'm just going to blend the two together. I'm not really gonna put too much on. I don't really have much today. I mean, to do today. It's actually 5:36 p.m. right now. So that's how bored I am. I'm just putting on makeup in the evening to do nothing. I just put a little bit more on. Just because I have these blemishes right here. I don't really know how to get rid of them. Yeah, that's why I invested in this foundation, the Estee Lauder one, because I heard it was full coverage, and it really is, but I think I just suck at putting foundation on. Oh, by the way, I'm also looking into a mirror that I have in front of me, so that's why I'm looking off to the side, if you're wondering. Oh, I didn't even do my eyebrows. I should do that. That looked scary. Oh, there it is. Damn, that's just like, now I look heavenly. So yeah, this is one of the things that I bought from the Sephora sale. This is the NARS matte bronzing powder, and I got it in the Samoa matte. It's like hard to open with my nails. Fuck, I just scratched it. Ooh, shiny. I think I'm gonna do my brows first, to be honest. I'm so lazy to go to the sink. I usually have to wet my brush, and I put a little water in here just to kind of like moisten it and make it softer, I guess. And I usually use warm water when I do this, but I just use my Hydro Flask water and it's like ice cold. but we're doing it. I'm like too lazy to walk to the kitchen, but this will have to do. So I just like basically moisten the brush. I'm gonna do that so it could just look more natural when I apply it, and just for precision, I guess. Just like that. This is actually not even an eyebrow brush. This is just like an eyeshadow brush, I believe. I want to buy the Anastasia one. I think it's the Anastasia number 12 or number 14. And that's good with the pomade Anastasia. Not badly priced. They're like 18 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that. But like I said, I'm not going to do my eyebrows too intensely, even though I've been spending like fucking 30 minutes on this one. I'm not gonna lie, I have not waxed or threaded my eyebrows in like, I want to say 5 years. So I have like excess hair all over, but I honestly don't mind it. I like that natural look. Dang. And now I'm going in with the Sigma Multitasker F47 brush. This is actually my first time using this multitasker brush. I just got it from Sigma, so let's give it a try. Ooh, it's kind of really pigmented. There's fallouts, but that's fine. I think I must have like scraped too much off at once. Okay. Ooh. Do something like that. This is so dark and I love it. I'm just gonna put like a little bit and a little bit of powder. Kylie translucent powder. And I'm just gonna use my sponge, and I'll of course try to use like the clean side a little bit. While I let the setting powder sit for a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the Lawless Make Me Blush powder, or blush I mean. This is in the color Phoenix. What the fuck? Why is this so hard? This is so pretty. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just wipe off the nose powder. I think I'm just gonna use the same brush I used for my foundation. Actually, why I bought this brush, because you could use this brush for your foundation, blush, or contouring. So yeah, hence the name multitasker. This is a beautiful color, guys. It's like this like burnt orangish red tone, and it's got like slight like glitter on it. My camera is flashing red right now. Okay, I'm just pulling a little bit and then I'm gonna dab it on my cheek. So my battery just died. I had to charge it for a little bit, so I am back. Okay, while I was gone, I just went ahead and put mascara on my lower lap. So now eyeshadow, and this is Going Coconuts by ColourPop, and I love this palette so much because it has just like a bunch of like neutral like and dark tones, neutral dark tones that I would use often. Brush, it's the Sigma E57 Firm Shader, the E57. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Lovely Bunch and just use it as like my base. Okay, so literally everything just... Okay, literally just now I just freaking dropped my eyeshadow palette. So all the colors are in different spots because the ColourPop eyeshadows, you can literally pop them out. Yeah, and so they fell on the freaking floor and I just placed them back into like different spots. So I can't read them by name anymore because these aren't the right names for them. And then this one's completely broken. I'm so sad. I mean, they all still look good. This is the only one that got ruined out of the bunch, but I freaking love this one. I use this one often too. Like I use the brown one. Okay, so I use these three a lot, and this, and this. It goes like this. I'm so sad that I just literally dropped them all on the floor. And it's fucking grossing me out. Like, I'm so tempted to just throw it away, but I'm not gonna throw it away. I'll just get over it. Anyway, and I'm still gonna put my makeup on, so let's do it. I went ahead and did the other side as well. So I just did the crease and I kind of went like above the creases. So I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's almost like brownish burnt orange, I guess, like brick color. I'm just gonna go like that. And I'm just gonna keep going until it looks the way I want it to. That dark brown. So I did my eyeshadow. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. Let's move on to the lips portion. A brown lip liner. It doesn't have the color or the brand or anything. I think it was NYX and like the logo wiped off. But yeah, I love this lip liner. And I already put lip moisturizer earlier. I used this aloe vera Vaseline. And then after that I'm gonna go in with another lip liner, and this is Nude Sticks in a magnetic matte lip color in the color Greystone. I just kind of blend it together a little bit because the lip liner I put on first is like, I don't know, like the line is a lot thinner so it's more noticeable, and so I just put this on top to blend it out. And then next I'm going to use the Kylie's lip gloss in Snatched. And usually I would leave it like this if I was like going to work or something. But just for the video, I think I'm going to go ahead and put eyelashes on. I feel like I'm in the mood to put eyeliner on. Okay, so now that I have the eyeliner on, I'm gonna do my lashes. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. It's really like long, separated, and fluffy. It's called Glow, and I got this from On Fleek Box. It's like an eyelash company. You can subscribe to them, and every month they send you a new eyelash box. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a light amount since I'm not leaving the house. That is the lashes. This turned out to be more of a glam look than an everyday makeup look, but I hope you guys still enjoyed the video. So this is the other thing I got from Sephora, is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. It's so cute. I've actually already used this, so I'm gonna put some on. I should have put it before I put like my eyelashes and lip gloss on, but whatever. Oh my god, that's just gonna give like a nice dewy set effect. Okay guys, so do you like the look? So that's it for this makeup look. Thank you guys for sticking around to watch. I had fun filming, and see you guys next time. Bye!